Hi friends, today I'm going to be making ohagi. Ohagi is eaten at this time of the year and spring. We offer this sweet mochi for our ancestors before eating because their soul is come home on the Equinox day. Because we love ohagi, so we eat this throughout the year, and we have a lot of specialty shops, but the best homemade. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the sticky rice. Rinse the sticky rice as always. Cover with water and drain, and switch your hand to rub the rice grain each other, but not too hard. And pour the water again and pour out the water. You don't have to wash sticky rice so many times, once is enough. Strain into a sieve. Today I'm going to cook sticky rice in the microwave, so soak in water for at least 1 hour. While we soak in the sticky rice, let's cook the red bean. Red bean or Azuki is an essential ingredient for Japanese wagashi, as you know already. Today I will show you how to make tsubu-an. When you leave the skin on, it's called tsubu-an. It has a strong flavor and commonly used in an everyday product, like ohagi. First, we boil the Azuki beans to remove the bitterness. Rinse and put it into the pot. Boil for a couple of minutes and drain. Rinse the beans and the pot and put the beans back into the pot and cover with enough water. Cover with the lid and cook on medium-low heat until very soft, so that you can smash the beans easily with your fingers. It's going to take 1 hour to 1.5 hours depending on the bean size. Add water to cover the beans as needed throughout the process. When you see the skin is stick to the side of the pot, that is the sign of it's cooked. When the red beans cooked very soft, cover with the lid and leave it 30 minutes to 1 hour. This process makes the red beans even softer. Strain into the sieve, but don't discard the bean cooked water. We will use this water to adjust the consistency. Put cooked beans into frying pan and add your sugar and a little bit of cooked water. Turn on the heat to medium and cook until the sugar dissolved. When you scrape the bottom of the pot and you can see the bottom, it's the sign to stop cooking. Keep in mind, the anko should look a little bit watery at this point. You can adjust the consistency later, so leave it as is. The skin absorbs the moisture as it cools. The anko should look shiny and smell so lovely. Transfer anko to a tray. Drop it about 2 or 3 tablespoons to cool it down quickly. If you use a store-bought red bean paste in a can, cook on medium heat to evaporate the excess moisture. While we are cooling the anko, let's cook the sticky rice. Pour water the same ratio to the sticky rice. Cover with the plastic wrap. Cook 5 minutes on 600 watt. Take it out and give it a nice stir. And cover with the plastic wrap again and cook 3 more minutes. And take it out and give it a nice stir again and cover with the plastic wrap again. Leave it for 10 minutes to cook completely. Now let's assemble. There are 2 types of shaping. One is outside anko and the other is inside anko. For outside anko of ohagi, we make 30 grams of sticky rice ball. For inside anko ohagi, we need 50 gram rice ball. To shape the outside anko, take a piece of plastic wrap and put the 50 grams of anko and flatten. Place smaller rice ball in the center and wrap it around and shape into an oval. And there you have it. It's that easy. Next, inside ankle version. Flatten the 50-gram rice ball and place 30 grams of ankle in the center and wrap it around. And roll it in a kinako. Kinako is a powdered roasted soybean. It adds nutty aroma and strong flavor. There you have your 2 kinds of ohagi. Repeat until you use up all the ingredients. You can freeze the leftover ankle for up to 3 months. I used to pound sticky rice into a kind of sticky mochi, but I realized that it's much easier to just shape into a bowl, and it's much easier to eat and cut through with the chopsticks. And also you can enjoy the rice and ankle combining together in your mouth. Kinako adds nutty flavor and it gives a nice kick. We love kinako so much, it tastes so good. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!